How to turn activity status off on TikTok. So to do this for yourself, what you're simply going to want to do is you're going to come over to your TikTok as so. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to this top right section. And once you come to this section, you're going to go over to your settings and privacy. Now, once you go over to your settings and privacy, the first and foremost thing that you're going to want to do to hide any sort of activity status picking for other people to see on your account is, of course, turn off the viewer history. Now, the viewer history can be turned off from coming down here to where it says interactions. In interactions, you're going to come over to viewers and you're going to turn this off. Okay. Now, once you've turned that off, automatically the activity history that you're going to have is going to disappear. No one else will be able to see your activity and the content that is going to be displayed. You can easily go ahead and sort that for yourself accordingly, set it according to whatever you want. So no user or friend or even the general public on TikTok will be able to see what you are insinuating on TikTok. So as you can see, the activity center is going to be blank. So that pretty much means you're good to go. That is how you can hide your activity status off of the TikTok interface from your general public. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.